This video, I show you how to earn $2,287 just to open emails, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money opening emails as a complete beginner. Step number 1, head over to this website, volutic.com. As you can see here in their homepage it says, earn money by reading emails. This website will pay you just to open and read emails, and all of that for no cost or anything. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see here it says, earn money by reading email, wherever you are. So with Volutic, you can earn money by opening and reading emails wherever you are, from your PC, tablet or smartphone, the choice is yours. This is a 100% free and worldwide available method. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video from. In that way, I can create specific videos for your region in my future videos. Now when you scroll down again, you will see this paragraph where it says, we pay you for every email you read and instantly. That means you don't need to wait for that long, because you can cash out your commission immediately. The reason for that is they have a minimum payout threshold of only 20 cents. Also, this website offers a pretty good referral program, so you can also take that. They have 6 referral commission levels. On the first level, you can earn 50% commission. And on the highest one, you can earn literally 100% commission, which you can't find anywhere else on the internet. Also, they will pay you $1 for every referral who earns $1. Now when you scroll down a little bit, you can see here members and their earnings. This website has over 10,000 total members registered, which is not a lot. This website is not well known amongst a majority of people. That is pretty good for us because we can use this website before everyone else does. You can see that there are over 500 members online right now. Also here you can see that they paid out over $500,000 to just over 10,000 people, which is incredible. So there are no earning limits on this website. Before you do anything on this website, which will be to earn money from it just by opening emails, you need to have an email account first. I know all of you have an email account already, but I will still recommend you to make a new one, because you will use that one just to work with this. And you probably don't want your personal email to receive notifications every minute. Now, you really have a lot of choices here. You can create your email account on Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook or any other services that you prefer. I always prefer to work with Google's Gmail because it is well connected and I can easily go through anything I need. So I will recommend you to create an account with Gmail too. To do so, just head over to Google and search for Gmail. After that, Google will show you all these results. Next thing you do is select this one, and then you will be taken to this page. So just click on this button that says create an account. And that will then take you to this page where you need to fill out all these boxes. Here you need to enter your first and last name and your preferred username, and then create your own password. After that, just click on next. The next step is to put your phone number here and your recovery email address right here. These two are optional, so you can just put it to keep your account secure. In continuation, enter your date of birth and select your gender right here. After that, you can click on next, and it will then take you to a page where you can read their terms and conditions and privacy policy. And that's it. You have successfully created your new Gmail account. Now we can head back to volutic.com. Now all you have to do is create your account on this website. You can do it by simply clicking on this register button right here. You will then be redirected to this page where you need to fill out this form. Here you need to enter your username, your email address and your password. For the referrer, you can leave it blank, but it will be best if you have a friend or anyone you know who is using this website so you can become their referral. In that way, you will help them earn additional cash from you. The best part is you can also do the same with other people after you sign up. In continuation, just tick these first 2 boxes after reading their terms of service and privacy notice. Just make sure to leave this last box unchecked, because you probably don't want to receive spam emails from this website every day. After that, just click on this register button. You will then receive an activation email. All you have to do is just open that email and click on the activation link. Clicking it will activate your account. And as easy as that, you have successfully created your brand new account on this website. When you log in for the first time, this is how your dashboard will look like. After creating your account, this website will start sending emails to you every day. You will just need to open and read those emails, and you will be paid. Now here are some bonus tips that you need to make sure to follow. The first thing is that your emails will be here every day, but you can easily miss them and also miss the opportunity to earn money because some of the emails go to the spam folder. So make sure to always check your spam folder. But you can make sure that these emails never end up in the spam folder. To do so, you can star these emails so they'll become your favorites. And if you find these emails in your spam folder, you'll need to click on these 3 dots. There will be an option which will allow you to move these emails out of the spam folder. That's how you can maximize your results in earning money just to open emails.